students, today is June 10, 2021. There are connected 7 students of 4th grade. And here in the classroom, there are 70. So how much it is 17 plus 7? 24. Excellent. So in totally, there are 24 students of 4th grade. Faltan la mitad, falta como la mitad, ¿no? So, tell me, what did we do last class? What did we do last class? So, we were doing the English workshop, ¿no? Estamos haciendo el taller de inglés. So, I'm going to share my screen so you can see it. We are going to do the review of the English workshop. Vamos a hacer este pasito. Esto es la recopilación, ¿vale?
Mira, Mariana Morales.
Vamos a hacer la recopilación del taller. So the second planet in the solar system is Earth. This is false. Esto es falso. Because the third planet in the solar system is Earth. The sixth planet in the solar system is Saturn. This is true. Si es verdadero. Mars is bigger than Neptune. False. Because Neptune is bigger than Mars. Saturn is bigger than Jupiter. This is false. Because Jupiter is bigger than Saturn. Uranus is smaller than Mercury. This is false. Because Mercury is smaller than Uranus. Venus is the most brilliant planet in the solar system. This is true, es verdadero. Pluto is the dwarf planet. Yes, it's true. Dwarf es enano. Entonces, Pluto es el planeta enano. Yes, it's true, verdadero. Jupiter has rings. This is false because Saturn is the planet which has rings. Saturno es el que tiene anillos. Neptune is the seventh planet. That is false because Uranus is the seventh planet. So we complete doing the review of this first point. Ya terminamos de hacer el repasito de ese primer punto. So let's continue with the second point. Look the image and answer the question. Miremos la imagen. Respondemos la respuesta. Sin gritar. Estamos haciendo la recopilación de todo. So what's the color of the cotton band? Is green. What's the silver jewelry box material? Wood and small pieces of silver. What's the new toy price? $25. Where are the Moroccan slippers from? They are from Morocco. What's the recycled plastic handbags colors? Are orange and white.
Orange and white.
What's the jewelry box condition? Oh. So we finished this first and second point. Let's continue with third point.